This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like Gbpjpy software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Gbpjpy, and as usual, I'm going to start up with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour or hourly time frame. Now, so as we can see on the weekly time frame, price has when price got to this support resistance area around the 168 area, price quickly rejected off it to the downside, and price tried as much as possible to push price all the way down towards the 160 area, but price couldn't maintain that area, and immediately price got to that 160 area, price quickly rejected off, forming this very long wick here, which shows a lot of buy pressure there, and this alone is an indication that possibly price would continue to the upside because you see a lot of buyers pushing price to the upside. Now, if we draw a Fibonacci retracement again from this swing low here to the swing high, we can see that reversal occurred around the 61.8% Fibonacci level, so which is quite expected actually, and yeah, give us this lovely rejection here. So I'm expecting price to still continue all the way to the top. And if we go to the daily time frame, we can also see clearly as well what we're talking about. You can see the rejection there of that area, and up you can see this long wick forming, and then price continued bullish as well, and then got all the way to this resistance area that I've marked out around the 166 area. And I still expect price to continue, possibly break that 166 area back up to the 168 area. So we've got like 200 pips or so move to go. So this is what I'm saying now. I'm expecting price rejection off here, and I'm expecting price to continue back to this area here. Now, when price gets to this area, price can either break it and continue to the top, and if price does break this area, it will break it quite strongly as well. It will be a very strong candle that will break this area, and then price would move quickly all the way to the upside. But if price gets here and gives us a bearish reversal pattern, then we'll be looking to take that to the downside, and then we'll be looking possibly at double top pattern. And then possibly even when you look at the broad picture as well, this will now be like a complete double top pattern as well. Okay, so this is a possibility that can happen. Like I said, price could get here and then break quite strongly to the top, and then continue that up move all the way to the next significant resistance area, which is around the 175 area. So there's possibility of that happening, but again, this area here will be key for us, and we'll just wait for price to get to that area. All right, so this is a very strong possibility, but again, we have to also react as the market moves. So we can't just say, oh, because I said price is going to go to the top, then that's exactly what is going to happen. Anything can happen, and we have to be prepared for that as well. As we can see here, price has reached this off resistance here and has rejected off it. Now, this area, I would say, from the way I trade, is quite significant as well, because when we do our swing high to swing low, we realize that area falls around a significant Fibonacci level, which again is around the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So that's why we have to be very careful with this area over here. So this particular price could just continue all the way to the downside. So for this now, I wouldn't really do anything at the moment for Gbpjpy. I'm going to be patient and wait and see how price reacts. So if price continues to the downside, I'll look for where to enter a good buy trade. But at the moment, I'm just going to wait. If price, for me to enter my buy trade, with full confidence, it will be when price breaks that um, resistance area around the 166 area. So if price breaks this level here, comes back to retest it, then I would look to enter my buy trade all the way to the top here. And so I'll be very patient to see if price plays out that way. And again, I'll be looking to gain about 200 pips on that move if I'm being very patient. So that is what I'll be looking at for Gbpjpy. I'm not going to do anything like the others. Others were pretty straightforward. I'm going to be bullish on them. For Gbpjpy, I'm going to just wait a minute to see how price plays out, and then I'll give an update in the coming week. And if there's any changes at all, I will let you know as well. So this has basically been my analysis for Gbpjpy. I'm not going to trade until I see a break of this 166 area. And if price does break that area, then I'll be looking to take my buy trades from there. But if not, and price continues to the downside, then I'll just watch to see how price plays out eventually. So this has been my analysis. Hope you found it very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more daily and weekly analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day.